Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Honey's Doing. Today I'm going to show you how I make the needle felting details. I was making this Pikachu Snorlax the other day and I need another one, so I thought it was a good chance for me to show you how I needle felt. Here is my second plushie, I just finished it. Here is the first one I made, sorry for the lightning, and this is the one that I will be doing for this video. This is like a really happy Pikachu. Let's get started. You get your wool. If you don't have wool, what I usually do is the acrylic yarn I use a pet brush and brush it until it looks like wool. You can use the needle felt or get like a little handle like the one I'm using. At first you will try to do it slowly so you can attach the felt onto the plushie. Uh, Beware with your fingers because if you stab them it hurts a lot. After you see that the felt is on the place, you can actually start stabbing more quicker. This is a really slow process, so don't worry, you will get that. The actual video, I think it was almost 30 minutes for me because I already know what the colors I need, the shapes I want and things like that, but it is really normal if you are like 1 hour, even 2 hours. That's why when I am taking big orders I usually finish all the plushes first and then I get into detailing because detailing is like so time consuming for me. I can see how this eye is like really different in height. I see that because this is me recording the voice after I made the video, so looking at that is like, oh my god, what are you doing? If you don't really like the idea of needle felting, you can actually get some felt and cut the shapes you need and then just glue it or sew them into the plushie. That's look okay too. But for my case, I think I prefer the needle felting. It's like when adding really small details, it is a really good option for amigurumi. If you are liking my video, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I will be making more videos like this one. When you are making small things like a dot or a really small line, keep stabbing in the same place and you will see that the big chunk of felt just keep going inside until you get the size you need. In those cases, I suggest you do it really slowly because if you stab like really fast but you are moving around all the place, you will see that there are like small pieces that are like in the wrong place. Let's say it like that. What you will need to do, keep stabbing the same place, or not if you think that it just doesn't disappear. Get a little bit of the color that it is on the base and little fade that over the place that you want. When you are needle felting big details like I'm doing with the cheeks, doing with a single felting needle can be like really time consuming. Here I am making the video go twice as fast. Actually it took me some minutes to finish that cheek. What you can do is getting a thicker felting needle. There are like different thickness on the felting needles, like really thin ones for delicate work, or there are like thicker ones and you don't have the thick one and you have like 3-4 of the thin ones. What you can do is grab 2 or 3 of them together, stab with them together like this. You will get the work twice as fast because you are using 2 at the same time. And the only minus thing is that you can do like really delicate shapes, so I only suggest that when you are doing like big things or like the base of something. You can see how faster I am getting this shape, but the shape is like really misshaped. So after doing like the first part of the red base, I change back to one felting needle to finish the circle. And let's make now the mouth. When you are making things like have like 2 3 different colors, try to see which one is like the biggest one so you can make the base. In this case I am making the base of the mouth with red color. And then after I finish making that, I will needle felt over that color the other one that I need in a smaller quantity. In this case it will be a pink color for the tongue. You may have noticed I kind of work like doing semicircles. It is easier for me to grab the felt that it is like flying over all the place. Now I will just do a really small eyeline, you can say a line for the mouth. If you think that the black color is like too dark, I suggest using like dark brown shades. Yeah, we have a really smiley Pikachu. We only need to add a little bit of details on the hoodie. Depending of the type of the detail I am making, sometimes I usually just cut some felt I have on hand because it is easier and it will give a better shape and volume to the kind I want for the plushie. For this pattern, what I'm doing is cutting some triangles with white felt. First 2 smaller ones and after that 2 bigger ones that they can cover the small one, and I will glue them. This will give like a better volume to the fangs. Sometimes I can just cut the felt and needle felt them, but if you do that you can lose a bit of the shape and the volume if you do that. So I tried that and I didn't like it, so I prefer this time to glue the fangs. It looks better. I hope you liked this video, so remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I will try to make more small videos like this one so I can explain better how I am working them so you can get a better result. And that's all for today. See you again!